What up, fam? This is Vic from Dumpster Gentlemen. Y'all, we're about to start on this venture. So we got a 2500 Chevrolet. It's a 4-wheel drive, and going in and out of landfills, we felt like we may need that 4-wheel drive capability. What did we pay for the truck? Well, we paid $25,000. That's taxes and everything. Trucks nowadays, they're really holding their value. This truck had a little over 160,000 miles on it. In addition to that, it's a 2014 vehicle. Things that I would suggest, that if you buy any vehicle, especially if you buy any vehicle, used vehicle, make sure it is not from up north. The reason for that is because we know that they salt their roads because of ice and snow. And anything dealing with snow and ice, that salt has corrosion, and it will corrode underneath your chassis. So I did buy a vehicle like that in the past, got it from Jersey, and you're gonna find a lot of trucks coming out of New York and New Jersey for that particular reason. This truck happens to be out of Texas. That's why I know you buy trucks. If you wanna buy a truck, you wanna buy it from Texas. Why do I say that? Is because everyone owns a truck in Texas. This is no lie. So they typically trade in their used trucks and buy something updated. Love the truck. Now, only thing I don't like about the truck is extended bed. Dealing with extended bed, that means less space getting things in and out. You got a trailer hitch to it, not an extended bed. The next thing I had to do, I had to go ahead and put the graphics on the truck. Y'all know who I use. I use City Graphics. City Graphics did me a great job, and I've been using him for a very long time. So what he charged me is not what it's going to be for you, but he only charged me $500 for my graphics. And yes, this bad boy looks good. I love the logo. I don't know how we came up with the Dumpster Gentlemen, but it kind of ranged out. I did see, I think it's called Nice Guys, Good Guys, Haulaway or something. And I thought that was pretty good. And I said, well, we ain't no guys, we're not no youngsters. I said, but we are gentlemen. And then it kind of clicked together, Dumpster Gentlemen. So that's who we are. And we just put a distinguished gentleman on the side. And who is better to being distinguished than someone who has a nice top hat, a C&I glass, very peculiar, almost like someone who's bougie and uppity there. But we're not going to be bougie and uppity about hauling your trash away or renting you out a dumpster. We're about to go get our dumpster trailer. But as you can see, we're off the side of the road. That somehow the pin popped out of it. It came off the hitch.